Hello guys, in today's video we are going to present you the top 5 electric pressure washer available on the market. We gather a list of various customer feedback and choose from the top products by price, quality, durability, and others. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit the bell button to receive notifications of upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Joe SPX3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. The Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer is a top-selling machine that delivers powerful cleaning for a variety of tasks. With an 1800-watt/14.5 amp motor, it generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.76 GPM of water pressure and flow, making it effective for removing tough grime and stains. The dual detergent tank system allows for easy switching between two types of detergent. It also features a 34-inch spray wand, 5 quick connect spray nozzles, and a TSS trigger that shuts off the pump when not in use. The SPX3000 comes with a 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord, garden hose adapter, and a 2-year warranty. 2. Joe SPX3001 Electric Pressure Washer. The Joe SPX3001 Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful tool for cleaning tasks at home, outdoors, and on vehicles. With an 1800-watt/14.5 amp motor, it generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.76 GPM of water pressure and flow for removing tough dirt and stains. It features an extra large 40.6 fluid ounces detergent tank and a 34-inch extension spray wand for easy maneuverability and access to hard-to-reach areas. The adjustable spray can be customized with 5 quick connect tips and a TSS trigger that shuts off the pump when not in use. Other features include an onboard hose reel, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord, garden hose adapter, and a 2-year warranty. 3. Karcher K1700 Electric Pressure Washer. The K1700 high-pressure washer is designed for high cleaning performance and ease of use. This portable pressure washer provides 1,700 pounds per square inch of true pressure, driven by a reliable universal motor, for top-level cleaning power. The K1700 has user-friendly features such as an on/off foot switch, storage bin, large removable detergent tank, and 3 spray nozzles including a turbo nozzle for intense cleaning. With metal hose connections, no flat wheels, and an integrated aluminum frame, this unit is highly durable. Easy assembly with no tools required, you can set up and start using the K1700 in under 5 minutes. 4. Westinghouse SPX3050 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse SPX3050 Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution that can handle tough grime with ease. With 2050 max SIOP pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow, it can effectively scrub away dirt and stains from household surfaces. The washer is well balanced and features 4-wheel steering, making it easy to maneuver. It comes with a Pro-Style gun, 4 quick connect spray tips, onboard detergent tank, and a 25 feet easy coil hose. 5. Patio Powerful Electric Pressure Washer. The powerful 1800-watt universal motor generates up to 3,500 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 2.5 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. This electric pressure washer is ideal for removing dirt and grime from decks, driveways, siding, cars, and more. It has 4 quick connect spray tips for low to high pressure, allowing for a variety of cleaning tasks. The 20 feet high pressure hose and onboard hose reel make it easy to use, while the total stop system, TSS, saves energy and prolongs pump life. The power washer also features a wheeled trolley and cable hook for easy movement and storage. Thank you for watching.